In drag racing, money doesn't guarantee victory, and a badge doesn't make you the fastest. Today, we're witnessing something insane, a matchup that feels completely unfair. Ferrari SF90 Stradale versus Nissan GT-R, Italy versus Japan, luxury versus raw aggression, one straight line, one winner. The Ferrari SF90 is next-level tech, blending Formula One with the streets. Picture this, a twin-turbo V8 engine paired with 3 electric motors, cranking out a jaw-dropping 1,000 horsepower. Talk about insane acceleration and smart power delivery. And yeah, it comes with a price tag over £400,000. A true masterpiece. But can anything really beat it?
Ferrari.
The Nissan GT-R is a beast, no doubt about it. Forget elegance and luxury. This ride is all about raw power. With a 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, it's built to dominate the road. We're talking 1,000 horsepower and 1,150 Newton-meters of torque. And at around 90,000 pounds, it's a steal compared to a Ferrari. This car has the heart of a fighter.
Oh my God.
Absolutely.
3, 2.
It's even better that launch! It's so close! Oh yes! Yes!
What the
The Ferrari takes off strong, but the GT-R, it just explodes off the line. The race is super tight, every meter matters. Final score, GT-R, 9.5 seconds, Ferrari, 9.7 seconds. Can you believe it? The cheaper car takes the win.
Third gear, get to 50 miles an hour, thumb on the cancel button and on the upshifter. You ready? 3, 2, pressing cancel, 1, go! Yes! It works! It works! Oh, yeah!
At first, the Ferrari's electric boost gives it the edge. But then, one button, full boost, brutal torque. The GT-R comes charging back, pushing all the way to the line. This isn't luck, this is strategy. From 100 miles per hour, who stops first? Surprise, it's the GT-R. With upgraded brakes and better control, smart tweaks make all the difference.
The bigger, fatter car stop better. What?
Let's just check in with the owner, Nathan. Thank you, Nathan, for lending us this car. Whether he's upgraded the brakes. Nathan, can anyone get me Nathan? Has Nathan upgraded the brakes on this car?
Yes, Mark, they're carbon ceramic brakes on the GT-R.
That whispery voice that you heard was someone saying, yes, he's upgraded the brakes. And that'll be why I won. Yes, it's got performance brakes and it's been upgraded.
This race hits you with a hard truth. Cash can't guarantee wins, and tech alone won't cut it. The Ferrari SF90, a total marvel, no doubt about that. The Nissan GT-R shows us that with the right tuning and mindset, even legends can be beaten. Now it's your turn. What would you pick, prestige and tech or raw power for the cash? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, because what's coming next is going to blow your mind.